Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. Are you hungry for some breakfast?
This is literally the cutest waffle iron I have ever owned. I just love the heart shape and it comes out really, really good. You really don't need any oil or anything. I just put it right on there and it comes out clean. I also love when it drips like this because eating it, it tastes just like a crunchy pancake. My kids just love this. It is way cheaper too than if you get the frozen waffles. So this is definitely good for the kids and for the adults' pocket. It really does come off clean every time. Look how awesome and cute this looks. This would be perfect for a little date night or just if you want to get fancy with your kids. It's so good.
So if you want a fun breakfast or if you just love making breakfast and want to add a little cute flair to it, I would definitely recommend this waffle iron. I really love it, and that's my point of view.